Well, what I'm about to do is gonna make some of y'all sick or mad or something. I don't think anybody's gonna have zero emotions about this, nor do I, but it's gotta be done. So what I have here are 4 nectarine trees. These trees are multiple years old, 6, 8, maybe 10, I really don't remember. But they have succumbed to disease, and I think some of the damage may have been from that big freeze we had last year, because it hurt lots of my trees. So here again, we got 4 trees. This one obviously has problems. This limb just broke off about a week before that. That big limb broke off. That limb broke off. On the other tree over there, you can see where that limb right there broke off. So it's just diseased. Yes, it's got a few nectarines on it. They're about as big as a walnut, and they're just hard as a rock, and they're bug sucked, and they're just not gonna be worth messing with. So I'm gonna pull these up out of the ground. I've been threatening to do it for several years because they have looked diseased for several years, and I'm sure it's my fault, but dadgum, we just have to spray so much here in East Texas. I mean, we're just so dang sticky around here. By sticky, I mean humid and hot and such, that it's just tough on some fruit trees. Fig trees seem to thrive in it. Some pear trees seem to thrive in it. We're going to pull these trees up. Now, my hopes is that I can just come in here with a tractor, and I can yank on it. I can, push it from side to side, and then get my forks up under it and pick it up. But that's best case scenario, and that never gonna happen like that. So anyway, we're gonna get it done. Let's see if these things will come up without too much coaxing. Well, that was sweet. Ha! Take off some dirt maybe. Have it fall back on top of me. That's gum. You have to watch a blooper. Better quit messing with it and better just carry it off. I'll be right back. I would imagine one of the reasons that just broke off so easily, pulled up so easily, is because his root system is pretty diseased. I've got a drip irrigation system in it that is not working from a long time ago, and so I'm just going to dig it up or pull it out rather. It's about to pull out right now. Maybe I can carry it just like that over there. Try to snatch this one up. That limb is going to break off, probably. Probably have to come snatch it up separate. There you go. Right up in there. It's going to be hard for this one to fit through the gate. 12-foot gate. Folks, if you don't have a tractor, if you're homesteading and you don't have a tractor with a front end loader, I really want to encourage you to get one. There's just nothing more handy. And if you've got a tractor and it doesn't have a front end loader, I want to encourage you to put one on it. Another big mess to try to take through a 12-foot gate, but the last time it worked pretty good. Well, that worked out a whole lot better than I thought it was going to. I've been kind of dreading this. I thought it was going to be a chore. So let me put the bucket on. I'll start smoothing this out and make this pretty where we can mow across it, and I won't have to mow around them dadgum trees anymore for nothing. I don't mind mowing around trees if they're giving me something, but for nothing, I don't like that. Okay, so not bad. I've got some root residue. I can see right there, there's a pretty good hole. That needs to be run over a few more times, filled in. But I'll pick up the roots and the limbs, throw them in the bucket. That used to be 4 trees that I had lots of hopes for, and really haven't gotten a decent nectarine off of them in 5 years, 6, 7, 8, I don't know how long. It's just, they've been a severe disappointment. I can't say it's their fault, just mine maybe just as much as theirs. But has been a severe disappointment, along with my peach trees that I was disappointed with and got rid of a long time ago. So that's what it is, that's what it looks like. And again, get you a loader, get you a tractor with a loader on it. I know some of you say, boy, I'd have kept them trees, I'd have doctored them, I'd have babied them, I'd have done something, but I'm just done, you know, I'm just done. Sometimes you're just done. So I'll clean it up, grass will grow over it, and it'll look pretty, and you just never know they were there. You will, because, you know, you saw me take them down, and you can make fun of me, but somebody that doesn't know anything about me, they may not know they was ever there. All right, I think that's done it, and we're gone.